In this video, I want to share with you how you can be able to swap from one crypto to another. It's called swap farming. That's a very interesting name, but I'll tell you why it's called that. Sign up on Binance with the first link in the description below. Let's get those credits rolling. Swap farming is just an interesting way of saying you can be able to convert from one crypto to another, and then just like you would do in farming, get a reward out of it. Binance Swap Farming is an interesting component on Binance Earn where you can be able to convert one crypto to another, and then depending on the promotion that's there, you'll get paid in BNB, the Binance coin. In this video, I want to take you the step-by-step process on how you can be able to do this, because it's super simple and I'll be able to take you through step by step. So once we do this, the first thing that we do is go on the Binance app, and here we are on the home page. Click on more. You'll see at the very top it says send auto invest swap farming. For me, that's the recommended, but you can actually go under trade and you'll be able to see swap farming. So click on swap farming. So at the very top, what you'll see is the swap rewards. This is the very first time that I'm doing it as well, so that you can be able to see it as I do it. At the top, it will show you the total amount in BNB that you have been rewarded. These rewards come from the fees that it takes to convert that particular coin. When you are on spot trading, and we've done a video about spot trading, it's showing up on the card above. On spot trading, there's usually a transaction fee. Now, under spot trading, you don't get this fee refunded. So the exciting bit about swap farming is with these rewards, it's a percentage of that transaction fee that is being returned back to you. What we'll actually do is, at the top, you'll see it says swap. Then you can actually say filter all tokens with rewards. At the first thing we'll do is, this shows you the very first one that's there. And then the summary and the rewards available, you'll find price, slippage, effective fee, swap fee, and estimated fee rebate. And you can be able to do from 10 USDT all the way to 2,500, it shows here. And we want to swap USDT and BTC. So we'll click on the second one and then just input BTC, click on it, and then we'll click here, max, and it now calculates how much of BTC we will get. And then it says the ultimate price and output is determined by the amount of tokens in the pool at the time of your swap. And the price here is 1 USDT, and you get 0.00005027 BTC. The slippage here shows as 0%. That is really good. The effective fee is 0.0375%, which is really low. The swap fee will be charged 0.15%. While I'm swapping 11 USDT, I'll be charged 0.016 USDT. But of this amount that I have been charged here, I will actually get a rebate of 75%. So we'll click on swap. And it says the transaction has been successfully processed in the liquidity pool. The transfer may still be in process. Please check the transaction record later. Then we've swapped from 11.175 USDT to get 0.000561 BTC, and the price there of 1 USDT for that number of BTC, and the fee and the estimated fee return. So what we'll do here is click on view swap history. You can actually be able to see that this transaction is a success. So what we'll see here is BTC stroke USDT. It shows it's a success. It's a sell of USDT of 11.17 USDT, and we've bought BTC. We've gotten a swap reward of these are 4 zeros and 5533 BNB. This is a good way for you to be able to swap from one crypto to another very simply, And then on top of that, the fee that you are using to actually swap this cryptos, you actually get it back. So that's a simple way on how you can be able to do swap farming. The good thing is there are over 180 pairs that are supported on Binance Swap Farming. And there is very low slippage. So you've seen it's 0%. This means that you don't use a lot of money when you are doing these conversions. The next thing is you have seen how simple and clear this interface is. That means that even if you are a beginner, you can be able to actually use this process and be able to convert from one crypto to another. In this next video, I show you the simple step-by-step process on how you can be able to do Binance P2P. I'll see you in the next one.